Did I say biscuit? This is for the ladies or the guys that might wear a little bit of makeup. Have you ever been writing something with one hand and as you're going along, your hand smudges the ink behind you? Well, that's kind of what happens with makeup sometimes. My wife puts on her makeup, which she doesn't need, and it looks great. But without something to hold it in place, it can fade, smudge, or get shiny during the day. Remember, I got to go pat my face? And that's where e.l.f. comes in. The Matte Magic Mist and Set. Think of it as a delicate, you don't even know it's there kind of hairspray, only for your face. My wife simply gives it a couple squirts and everything stays where it's supposed to stay. Look, I don't understand it. I just know she says it works. And it helps control that shine we talked about, so your face doesn't look like a freshly buttered biscuit. Did I say biscuit? This formula includes ingredients like aloe, cucumber, and green tea, as well as vitamins A, C, and E. Those ingredients help to refresh the skin a little bit and help you hold on to that hydration all the time, holding that makeup in place. You can spray it directly on your face or mist it onto a brush and gently rub it in. So if you've ever wondered how those other people keep their makeup looking so good all day long, this little mist might be part of their secret. You know.